Okay.
Boys, I'm gaming.
Just stupid.
As you can see,
Bro! BRB.
this guy right here forced me to play this game, not. Dude, what is this avatar? Why is there SpongeBob and Patrick? I just woke up and it's 11:11. Hell yeah. You just watched me instantly die. Wait, watch this, John. Wait, watch me. I'm gonna go by the first level instantly. Watch this. I'm so good at this game. Did no? Dude, why is it way less laggy? Okay, that was a little bit laggy, but it's like way less laggy for me now. My brain is less laggy in the mornings. Oh, if I didn't jump, I wouldn't have made that. I got to the wave level, and the wave is faster than me. Oh, I made it to safe zone. Okay.
Is it less laggy now?
What?
Hold on.
I'm less laggy than when I played this yesterday. Yes.
I'm back. Oh no. Hold on. No, I can't. And welcome back to another video. And today we'll be playing whatever this game is on here. Hopefully it will be fun and good. And Gigamig will be playing with us today, right, Gigamig? Gigamig? Let's get into it. Maybe I should make this bigger.
It's already in. Huh?
Gigamig? Gigamig? Right, Gigamig? We're making a video today, right?
Yes, senor, and I am also. I'm gonna steal all your content.
He's in it. Gigamig is the weird guy.
Cause, well, look at my name, though. It's so weird. If you kind of swap the M with an M and then that would be an A.
It's letting all happen.
What?
I got it.
I'm playing on iPad as you.
I'm not blaming on
You haven't? I've already seen so many touchscreen laptops. Like every single one I've seen.
I've literally don't think I've ever seen a touchscreen laptop.
Okay, what? John's never seen a touchscreen laptop.
Actually,
Yes. Oh, come on.
I shall stare. Holy chopped hair, guys.
Balerina?
You know what? I hate wearing a mask. No.
Loki, Loki, put on the, frickin'... Jesus, what was that one Minecraft YouTuber that did parkour and stuff? Dream.
Parkour. Put the dream mask on. Oh.
Bro, it takes me forever to level up now. Takes me 10K. That's so gay. I'm only 20 levels higher than you. I need 1,043. 100,000. 140,000.
Yeah, but thing it goes up 1,000 that much. Look at me. No, it's not. That's point. That's point
You can see
one.
me down here.
That
guys.
is.
Down there. I'm right here.
But that's going faster too.
Yeah.
And you have 130, so yeah.
And I almost level 55, but I can only do stage. What is this? Stage 1.
I'm trying to get
Mhm.
over there.
Oh, I feel so much better. At least gonna go to level 50.
Yo,
At least.
someone was talking to me about playing 99 Nights with you.
What's your guys' favorite game? TREX 2023 Jack 2023.
You can
You guys want to friend me? Go ahead and friend me so we can play some Roblox together or VR. On VR, my name is JAX space 1. If you want to play with me on VR and Roblox, go ahead. Oh, yes, you really got that. You can make it, that's really okay. You can't do that. There's no way. Just
literally
just have
in 7 minutes. Are you still playing this game? Yeah. I have no clue where he is though.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I'm at stage 5. Isn't that the disappearing platform? Yeah, I suck at this. Yeah, I'm rage quitting.
So stage 8, stage
Who
7,
the hell plays a dog to me?
6, 5.
That's
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Disappearing platform.
Platform?
What level are you on? Up there already? Wait, how is Gavin with you? He just started playing this game. No?
Now I can do stage 1. I'm so smart, I accidentally jumped. But it was an accident, so it doesn't matter. Back in. My screen recording. I'm about to scream.
I don't know. I see your screen.
Welcome back to another video, and today we will be playing this game. Cuphead.
The same game 5,000 times. Yay.
Diddy.
Family friendly channel, John.
Oh. Let me know what your username is down in the comments, and I'll friend you. Mine is
YouTube for some reason doesn't allow you to comment when you say put your
JAX 2023.
Listen.
And Jax TRX 923. Just go friend me. And on VR, it is JAX space 1. Jax 1.
If you say put your username down in the comments, it doesn't allow people to comment for some reason.
Oh.
Hello? I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe it's only when I do shorts and the freaking YouTube's retarded.
Oh. Hey, Eric, it's a family-friendly game.
Hope you paused it. What? This game is called Balerina Cuphead now. Bye.
Yeah. You beat Cuphead? So let's play a different game, guys.
Okay, let's start fire, guys. John, you can keep playing this game. Yeah,
see you in the next one. Bam and bye.
Training when they got the trailer laws in here.
A little boo boo.
Oh, right, it's this. You have to jump across.
Oh, Eric,
But I'm
Yeah,
not
Haley, this game's
just
fun.
the ball part. Now I can actually just run.
Please, what are my luck?
Don't get on VR.
I guess.